Guys, it's me Sanya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a blindfolded slime challenge. So I'm gonna get my blindfold and we'll start the challenge. Okay, so the glue's right here, the activator is right there. Okay, I have no idea where anything is. My spoon's here and the glue is here, which does not have a lid, which is good. I hope I don't get any okay, yeah, I know I put a lot. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay, I know it's in. Okay, so I don't even know what color this is, but I'm guessing pink. I love pink, but blue's my favorite color. I want it to be blue. Pink, okay. Green, I have no idea, but I think it also might be black. There's a chance, so I'm just. You know what, this might be yellow. I'm gonna add a lot. Is that enough, guys? I can't see, so. Okay, maybe that's enough. Wait, I don't think it's on. Wait, no. Did I even put it in? I don't know. You know what? Where's the thing? Oh, it's here. Oh, guys. Not what I expected. I thought it was gonna be all black. This is really, really pretty. So this is what it looks like. If you guys remember last blindfolded slime challenge, I had a pink slime and I was expecting blue, and today, this video, I was expecting pink and I got blue. Oh, I hate that sound, don't you guys? It's very, very pretty. My activator is bad. Okay, I'm just gonna get everything. Oh, you guys see that? Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share this video with your family and friends, and thank you for watching. Bye!